Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to find files for apps from Microsoft Store. And all you have to do is to tap on the File Explorer. We're going to click on this PC, then we're going to click on Local Disk. We're going to click on Program Files, then we're going to click on View and make sure that we are on Hidden Items. In the case that you're typing on Windows app and you're not able to see the files actually, all you have to do is to right-click, then click on Properties, and go down to click on Security, then click on Advanced. From there, we are going to click on Change, and then from there, we're going to click on Advanced, and we're going to click on Find Now. And they are going to choose your user account. Then once you've found it, you're going to click on this one, then I'm going to click on OK. I'm going to click on OK, then I'm going to click on Apply. I'm going to click on OK, then OK. Then I'm going to click on OK. Once I double click on it, I will be able to see the files. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.